Good day everyone, this is Solushola. Welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share. In this video I want to show you how to claim your call. Okay, now first log in to your MetaMask. So before now you must have been given 0.1 call. That is what you will use to claim your call in the MetaMask. So if you have not yet received your 0.1 call, which means you didn't belong to the first batch. So but once you have this, fine, you are good to go. Okay, now make sure that you are on mainnet. All right, from here now, the next thing you need to do from here is to come to this side, click on it. From here you go to browser, click on browser. From browser it will show you this. If you have not yet added another browser before, then you tap on this icon here to create another page of the browser. Okay, from here it brings you here. From here what you need to do, you tap on this search and it brings you here. So here, this is where you will now copy. I will leave the link in the description. You copy or paste here, or you can just type it. Just type this www.coredao.org. okay, then it will now bring you to this page. From here what you need to do is to click on this airdrop. You can see airdrop here. Click on the airdrop. From here it will bring you here. If your country is not Nigeria or is not showing your country here, you tap on this arrow down to select your country. Make sure you do that. From there you tap on confirm. Alright, then it show you this page and you click on connect. To show you MetaMask here, then tap on connect. Okay, then the next page will show you the address. The next thing is to connect. Click on connect here. After connect, it will now bring you the number of call that you have and the 25% that you want to claim here. Okay, you just scroll up. From there you click on claim here. You click on claim. Okay, so it's loading and it shows you here. So you scroll up. The next thing is to now click on confirm to confirm the call. So that's all. That is how to claim it. As you do that, it will reflect in your MetaMask. That is how to claim your call. So please subscribe, and in the next video I will show you how to delegate or stake and what is the difference between staking and delegate. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe, share and like. Thank you. See you in the next video.